You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the engine cover that needs to be removed so you can access the spark plugs. With a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the two lug nuts located on each side of the coil. Switch off the power supply to the coils. To do this, lift the halting spur on the connector, then pull on the terminal. Remove the breather conduit. This can be done by pushing on the yellow part of each clip, by hand if you can, or with a flathead screwdriver if you're not able. Remove the entire coil. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a hoover bit to properly clean round the spark plugs. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 14mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug. We suggest changing the spark plugs one by one. This will help avoid contaminating the engine with impurities. Tip: you can use all of the coils to remove the spark plug. Take the new spark plug. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to bring it delicately to the screwing support. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench, finalizing the tightening with a quarter turn. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Reclip the coil in place and start tightening by hand. Finish it off using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Reconnect the power supply to the coil. Reconnect the breather. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.